We are assembling the barn in the Advent Village set. So I am starting with the bottom of the box. The barn, all of the pieces are basically boxes. Very simple boxes actually. So we're going to start by just putting the bottom of our box together. This village is designed to look like a gingerbread village. So I have brown and white, and I hope the white shows up good enough in the video. All of the pieces are small enough, hopefully, if you have a tray that's not too small, to fit into a tiered tray. I thought it would be cute to have an Advent village in a tiered tray decoration. So here's the bottom of the box. Not too big, not too small. I'm going to bring in the barn, the top of the barn, and just fold everything on the score lines. These here for the roof. I think I left my roof on my cutter. Let me unload this and get it off. Excuse me. Okay. Let me take a drink of water. Okay, so let's start by putting our panels on. Because they're just easier to put on while everything is flat. So if you make this a 12-day Advent calendar, you still have gracious plenty time to get this put together. Even making 24 of these, not this barn in particular, but of the whole village, they're all very simple boxes, so nothing is too complicated. So you have 3 frosting pieces that are a little bit shorter than the pieces that go on the roof. So put a little bit of glue on these. I think I put that one a little bit lower than I intended. I think it should be right across the top. I wasn't going to use one on the very front, and that's why I'm one short, but then I changed my mind and decided that I did want them on all 4 sides. So you need to cut an extra one if you want it on the front. Or don't put one on the back. This long rectangular piece is supposed to be your hayloft. And that's why I wasn't going to use one on the front, but I like it. And then you have your side windows. 2 for each side. And then you would apply your number to the back. Okay, I'm not going to put a number on this one because I already have a barn done here and I've numbered it 6. And I only want 1 barn in my village, but for some reason the recording messed up and it didn't record, so I'm making another one. So now we're just going to close this. And let's work on our barn roof. I'm going to put the frosting on. I'm putting 1 at each score, well, on the bottom and then on the second score line, just above it. Okay, so there's our roof. And now we're just going to add glue to these tabs. And when I put my roof on, I'm going to use my fingers and I'm going to push these sides in a little bit because they're bowing out from the moisture of putting this panel on. So I'm going to push it in just a little when I put the roof on. And it has just a slight overhang on each side. And then I'm just going to apply pressure, working my fingers down from the top. Once you've got it kind of sticking, you can roll it onto its side and reach in with something and push your tabs down. And then there's your barn. So very quick and simple. Very cute. Just put your little treat inside there. And that is finished. Thank you for joining me.